Owning a pickup truck has plenty of benefits, but everything you have sitting in your truck bed is exposed to the outside world. If you want to shield whatever it is you're carrying from the elements or potential thieves, you need a tonneau cover. A tonneau is a truck bed cover for your pickup truck that sits over the bed, usually mounted either to the sides of the bed. There are many products available to choose from best truck tonneau covers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best truck tonneau covers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tiger Auto Tri-Fold Tonneau Truck Bed Cover. Tiger Auto's Tri-Fold Tonneau Bed Cover is a sleek-looking soft tonneau cover that is available for most mainstream modern-day pickup trucks. This tonneau cover is made of very sturdy dual-coated marine-grade vinyl. The low-profile design won't interfere with visibility and makes a weather-tight seal that will protect your bed's contents from the elements outside. Each package will come with a pre-assembled tonneau cover, and lead bed light, weather seals, and the hardware needed for mounting the cover to your truck. Tiger's vinyl tonneau cover is easy to install and fits different truck beds very well with minimal overhang. The installation process uses clamps that require no drilling into your vehicle. Tiger also offers a limited lifetime warranty on its tonneau covers and accepts returns if you ordered it for the wrong truck by accident. Number 2. Tuxedo Truck Sport Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover. The Tuxedo Truck Sport Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover roll-up operation allows you to roll the cover up and keep the bed completely exposed as you drive. This way you don't have to remove the tonneau completely if you are transporting taller objects or just don't want to use it at that time. This tonneau is easy to install and requires no drilling. It affixes to your truck in 20 minutes or less, and is made of durable vinyl material. Dual paddle latches provide extra security and easily unlock when you need quick access to your truck bed. With a slim design, this tonneau cover is not too bulky, and won't ruin the look of your pickup. Most passers-by won't even realize it's there. Number 3. Lund Genesis Elite Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Lund was one of the first companies to make truck bed caps back in the 1970s, and has been making tonneau covers for a long time. That's important peace of mind as you move up the ladder to more premium yet still affordable covers. The Lund Genesis Elite Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is made of a premium twill weave material that's been engineered to resist water, mold, UV rays and dust, and dirt. It's easily washable with water and won't trap dirt in its fabric weave. The tonneau easily rolls up, and thanks to a set of plastic buckles, it can be fastened that way if you need access to your truck's bed for a longer period of time or need to transport taller objects. A set of latch fasteners keep the cover fixed down when it's not rolled up. Lund offers a limited lifetime warranty on its tonneau covers, protecting against any defects in material or workmanship. Taking about an hour to install, and doesn't have as slim a profile as some soft vinyl covers. Number 4. Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover. The Undercover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover is called Undercover for a reason. With a low-profile design that easily integrates into your pickup bed, this hard tonneau will look as though it was installed on your truck from the factory. It's easily installed, requiring no hole drilling of any sort, and folds in 3 different sections, giving you full access to your truck's bed when you need it. It also comes with built-in prop rods for keeping it tilted upward in the fully folded up position when you are loading or unloading cargo from the bed. The cover can also be completely removed without the use of tools. Additionally, this tonneau allows you to drive around with 1, 2, or all 3 of the folding sections tilted upward. This may be useful if you are transporting large objects, but don't want to have to completely remove the cover from your truck. Number 5. MaxMate Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The MaxMate Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a bargain-price soft tri-fold tonneau cover, available for a limited variety of truck makes and models. This soft tonneau is also made of dual-coated marine-grade vinyl, and also features rust-preventive powder-coated frames and stainless steel security clamps. It comes pre-assembled and is easy to install, requiring no drilling and coming with all necessary instructions and hardware. Maxim offers a 10-year warranty on its tri-fold tonneau cover. A downside to this tonneau cover is that it's not as slim and sleek-looking as some other soft tonneau covers. There are also 2 plastic buckles on the cover, which can throw off the uniform look many truck owners desire when looking to get a tonneau. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.